Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Point. In this channel, we present high quality analysis of various sectors and mutual funds. Today, we'll be discussing large cap IT stocks. Based on 16 parameters, we will rank 6 of these IT companies like TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, L&T Infotech, and Tech Mahindra. All right, so before we start, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel and keep watching this video till the end. So let's start. All right, so first of all, I would like to share the methodology that we are going to follow for this analysis. So we have selected 6 large cap stocks based on their market capitalization. Then we give equal weightage to each of these 16 parameters that we are considering here. I'll show you in next slide. Based on their performance, we award points to each companies. Then we give ranking based on how much total points are earned by a particular company. All right, so this is how we have prepared the analysis process. So please watch till the end so that you can have some idea about which companies are at the top quartile and which are not that good. Right, so let's talk about the IT service companies based on their market capitalization. TCS market cap of 12.1 lakh crore rupees, Infosys 6.38 lakh crore rupees market cap, Wipro 2.96 lakh crore rupees, HCL Tech 2.66 lakh crore rupees, Tech Mahindra 1.02 lakh crore rupees, and L&T Infotech 71,000 crore rupees market capitalization. So these are the companies that we have selected for this analysis. If you want the similar kind of analysis for the mid cap companies, that also we can do, please let us know in the comment. Right, so now what are the parameters that we have decided to analyze for these companies? Here 16 parameters like sales growth, 3-year sales growth, 5-year sales growth, 3 years profit growth, 5 years profit growth, ROCE, return on capital employed, 5 years ROCE, return on equity, 5 years return on equity, operating profit margin, 5 years operating profit margin, debt to equity, interest coverage ratio, percentage of total institutional holdings, then how much the promoters have pledged, right? Then finally price to earning ratio, PE ratio, and 3 years PE ratio. So these are the 16 parameters that we have analyzed for each and every companies. All right, so let's start. So first of all, 3 years sales growth. So as we can see, we have the 6 companies, and in the next column you can see 3-year sales growth percentage. And from this data we can see that L&T Infotech has the highest sales growth percentage, 3-year sales growth percentage. So therefore we are awarding this L&T Infotech highest point, 6 point. The next HCL Tech, see 3-year sales growth percentage 14.2, therefore 5 points. Next will be Infosys, 12.5% of sales growth, therefore 4 points. Next will be TCS with 10.1% of 3-year sales growth, 3 points. Tech Mahindra 7.15% of sales growth, therefore 2 points. And the last in this list will be Wipro with 4.36% of 3-year sales growth, therefore 1 point. Alright, so this is how we are going to give points to each and every stock in this list. So based on how the parameters are performing, we will give the highest to lowest point. So here from the 3-year sales growth perspective, L&T Infotech gets the highest point and Wipro gets the lowest point. Next, 5-year sales growth. Again, you can see that HCL Tech in this case gets the highest point because 19.3% of 5-year sales growth, and Wipro gets the lowest point again because it has 5-year sales growth of 3.86%, therefore 1 point. And you can see the other points accordingly, right? Next, 3 years profit growth. 3 years profit growth, you can see the data, and here also L&T Infotech get 6 points because they have 3 years profit growth of 20.3%, and Tech Mahindra gets the lower point because of only 5.23% of 3 years profit growth. So Tech Mahindra gets only 1 point, and you can see the other companies how many points they're getting, right? 5 years profit growth. From the 5 years profit growth perspective, again L&T Infotech gets the highest point, 6 point, and in this case Wipro gets the lowest point, 1 point, because it has 5 years profit growth of only 4.4%, and you can see the other points in the screen. Now, return on capital employed. If you see the return on capital employed percentage, or ROCE percentage, you can see that TCS has the highest ROCE of 48.9%, therefore it gets 6 point, and Wipro only 22.1%, therefore it gets only 1 point. And you can see the ROCE values for other companies and the corresponding points. 5 years return on capital employed, or 5 years ROC. Here again TCS 45.6% ROCE, 5 years ROCE, therefore 6 points, the highest points, and Wipro with only 19.4% gets the minimum point, only 1 point, and you can see the points for other companies as well. Return on equity. Return on equity, TCS with 39.1% ROE gets the highest point again, and here Tech Mahindra with only 19% ROE gets only 1 point, and you can see the list, the other points as well. 5 years return on equity, 5 years ROE. So here you can see again TCS 35.2% 5-year ROE, therefore 6 points, and Wipro only 7.6%, therefore only 1 point. And you can see the other companies how much is the ROE and how they score on this particular parameter. Operating profit margin, OPM. So from operating profit margin perspective, we can see again TCS is highest scorer again, okay, 28.3% OPM, therefore it score 6 points, and the lowest OPM is for Tech Mahindra, only 18% OPM, therefore only 1 point. Now let's take a look at the 5 years OPM, 5 years operating profit margin. All right, so here again TCS 27.2%, therefore gets 6 point, and Tech Mahindra again with the lowest value 16.2% OPM, therefore scores only 1 point. So guys, I think you should comment how you are liking this video or not. So till this point, if you feel that this analysis is interesting, please like this video and please watch till the end, because we have very interesting result at the end, which I'm going to show you in few minutes. Now again, debt to equity meaning that how much debt is having on this company. Okay, lowest is better. See here Infosys only 0.07, therefore scoring 6 points, and Wipro with 0.19%, scoring only 1 point. Interest coverage ratio, higher is better. Infosys with 137 interest coverage ratio gets 6 point, and Wipro only with 28.3 scores only 1 point. Next, percentage of institutional holdings, that is percentage of FII plus DII holdings from total free float market capitalization, meaning that you take the total market capitalization, then if you subtract the promoter holdings, so you get the total free float market cap. Now out of this free float market cap, how much percentage is holded by FII plus DII? So here you can see that HCL Tech, it is holding the maximum percentage, 87.42%, therefore it gets 6 point, and Wipro only 56.96%, therefore gets 1 point. Now promoter pledging percentage, whether any promoter has pledged their shares or not. Only TCS promoters, they have pledged only 0.47%, therefore it gets only 1 point, and the other companies promoters have not pledged anything, therefore all of them will be getting 6 points. Now towards the end we come to the valuation parameters, right? Price to earnings. So this is the current price to earnings. Now lower is better, so the company with lowest PE will get the highest point, and you can see that Tech Mahindra, which has PE of only 23.1, scores highest point, 6 point, and L&T Infotech has highest PE 37.2, therefore score only 1. Now last 3 years price to earning ratios, 3 years PE. Here you can see that HCL Tech has 3 years PE ratio of 14.6, therefore it scored highest point, 6 point, and TCS, the PE was 21.2, therefore it scores only 1 point. So now we have shown you all the 16 points. Now we are going to show you the final result. So here we are. So this is how the companies have scored the points. HCL scored the maximum 68 points, TCS 67, L&T Infotech 66, Infosys 65. So all these 4 companies, I can say that they're the top 4 IT companies as per our analysis. Okay, the difference is marginal. And then we have Tech Mahindra 45 points and Wipro scored 36 points. So therefore you can see the ranking: HCL Tech number 1, TCS number 2, L&T Infotech number 3, Infosys number 4, Tech Mahindra number 5, and HCL and Wipro number 6. So guys, so this is from this overall analysis. So if you feel that this analysis is of interest to you and you learn something, please like the video and please leave us a comment and just let us know how this analysis was. All right, and finally I would like to give you a disclaimer that any stocks that I discussed here are not for any kind of recommendation. If you want to buy or sell any of these stocks, please talk to your advisor and take decision. So I thank all of you for your kind attention. If you have any kind of questions or anything, please send us your comments and we will see you in the next analysis video. Thanks a lot.